Okay. So last class are done up to what 10th program. Okay. Only 3 programs are done. Now 11th one there. Some people over, some people not over. I don't know. Power end na here only. No, this program over. I think so. Okay. We're just keeping an equal to symbol. We get all what is even numbers. When keeping a not equal to all odd numbers. And compulsory you have to be perfect with what lambda filter all these things. Okay. Previous programs don't know. Okay, fine. But from last week onwards, what topic you're doing from this year onwards, you can say these things are all what important in the real time. Okay, in the real time, whatever are we doing in this year now from 1st December or 1st January onwards. Okay, exactly like what 3rd Jan, na? 3rd or 1st, I don't know what exact date. 3rd onwards. Okay, whatever you have done from this week, last week, those are all what important. Okay, so if you're practicing also, don't start from starting onwards. Start from last week what you have done from there onwards. That also will be fine for practicing onwards. Okay. So now 12th one there. So what I wrote here, f equal to one variable I have taken, lambda equal to x, lambda x, where x star 2 will give you what here? Square. So let us just print f there. We'll pass the value of like that. What is the value of passing there? 5. So 5 square, 25. If I want cube, star 3. We'll get what now? Cube. Okay. So whatever you want to do, you can do this. Make a note of this one. Program, simple program. Starting 2 to 3 programs will be basic. Okay. Once 2, 3 programs basic over, it will become lengthy now. Done. Okay. Next what now? Combination. Okay. Starting you have seen filter, then we have seen lambda, then we have seen combination of lambda and filter. Now we are seeing the combination of what now? Lambda and map. So clearly understand. Okay. Focus properly. Okay. Not just 90% focus, total 100% you have to focus. Now, very big names. I'll make it small. All it is fine now. Fine now. You can modify after program, after class. So list one equal to what I have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then list equal to what I have done? List. Starting kept what no map. For filter kept what filter there. No map lambda x value. Where x value I'll take from what user or I'll pass from the keyboard. X star 2. Then from what variable I'm asking to take this x value from list 1 now. So what I'll get now? 1 square 2. That's the meaning here. 1 square what? 1. 2 square 4. 3 square 4 square 5 square. Okay, that is the meaning here. But how are you getting there now? List. Then can't you print in the line by line sort of there? How? Using for loop, all those things again. Okay. But here now what we done? Basic program with what? List. Thus getting inside the list. You can even take the what input from the user also. Can you take or not? Or should I write the code? You can modify now how to take the input from the user. Okay. Make a note of this one. Okay, copy it. Next what now? Lambda reduce. So stop writing now here. See, for reduce and for filter map or zip, we had run for Python programs. There we don't need anything tools there. Okay, but for your now reduce concept, which concept now? Reduce concept compulsory. I require. I have to use. I have to import. What I have to import from functools. Functools means what? From function tools. From what? Function tools. Import star. What is the meaning of star here? Everything. Star means what? Everything. Actually, when you don't know the topic, example, people who are having Java knowledge, they'll understand. Import detail dot star will do. So when I don't know some names, what I'll do? Unnecessary of thinking of names, all those things, simply I'll keep the dot star. Same here. In this functools, we have many methods there. Okay, many things are there. But I can't remember what are the things there. So simply what I'll keep now? Star. Star means what? Everything. So let me show you once properly. Then you get the knowledge properly. Okay. What I've done there? Okay. Functools in Python. Here. Actually, I want to show you. Here. From functools, import what? Partial will be there. Many things will be there. Partial method. Okay. CMP to key, comparing to key. Okay. When I'm having some time, just to check out once. Then import what? Reduce will be there. Then tools, ordering. Okay. Update wrapper. Okay. This also what one concept of what? Wrapping the words. All those things. Then wraps. Okay. Many will be there. You can't even decide also. Single dispatch. Okay. So when you're having time, then only go through. Because we are not going to use that much this one things. Okay. People who use these things, people who are looking for what companies like what? Okay. For looking for companies like what? Google, Flipkart, correct only. Amazon, and last Microsoft. Any of a dream here matching or Hindi will say Aukad or Telugu will say what? In Telugu what will say? You're fit for it. You're fit, not now exactly, I can say. But not now exactly. Why? Because this topics now, Python you learn, anything you learn, will not hire you. These companies will hire you only when you are knowing what? Data structures. When knowing what? Data structures. Like what? Linked list, single linked list, circular linked list, double linked list, then arrays, arrays, pointers, then binary trees, BFS, DFS, then knapsack, Krushnal algorithm, Prim's algorithm. Totally like what? At least I can say now, you have to dedicate 3 to 5 months of time. How many months? 3 to 5 months. That much time you have. So you have to take this lighter. Why? Because 90% students will drop here. How many students? 90% students get what? Dropped here. What they'll do after 3 years, 4 years, once having experience for them. Okay. But if I study data set this concept, you have to think like over. Yeah, like what now? Suppose your age is what now? Suppose 22 example. Okay. Your age is what now? 22. If you're having knowledge of data structures, okay, fine. But if you are from other branch, okay, mechanical, civil, or ECE, or triple E, or any branch, which you are from not a CSE branch, and if you are from CSE branch, then in the same we had data structures now. They also don't know again. People who have done programming on their own, single linked list, these things, okay for them. Again, if you're from CSE, but you never done these programs on your own, then they are same mechanical civil. Okay. So if you're starting data structures, you're thinking your age is what now? 22. So once after learning now, you'll feel like what is your age is around like 52. Total hairs will become white. Hair will become what? White. This is a guarantee I'm giving you. Okay, because we know that you can not understand anything. Linked list, single linked list, double linked list. Have you seen any time? Okay, so just let me show once here. Singly linked list in see it will be very lengthy again. See here. In see it will be very lengthy. Start the code from here. This is not the code. Okay, 3 lines over. Over, sir. No, that is a basic there. This is actual code. Formatting from here up to here, not this one. In middle they kept comments. Okay, this is actual code. But if you go with Python, they say don't understand. Okay, but simply we can do with the help of what list only there. These things, all these things. In Python, they won't focus on all these things. What they focus when they say data structures in Python, data structures means what? List, tuple, set, dictionary. This is the only thing. Because Python does not like any kind of a confusion. People having experience 30, 20, not less than 20 also, above 20 only. Okay, they will go with that concepts. But if you want package like 30 lakhs, 25 lakhs, then you start data searches. But again, I'm saying which company, if you're from BTech, okay, actually should not tell, but I'm telling you, if you're from BTech, na, won't hire. I don't know why, but this is the main I have seen. Will hire from what? IIT, NIT, triple IT. Khatam. Once there, if it is left, then they come for BTech, MSET, na. Then they come for what? BTech. He will just act like what? Okay, fine, okay. Like supporting role, supporting for these peoples. Okay, because their package will be like around what? 60, 80, whatever it is. Different level it is. You cannot match. So that's why I'm saying what to, if you're a fresher, don't start data searches. That is my advice. Because total time will waste, you get demotivated. Main thing is what? You get what? Demotivated. Okay. So if you're a company asking, I don't know data searches, simply khatam. I know only what? Python data searches, listed tuple set history. Yeah. No one asks you like these things. Which company asks you? Example, I'm giving you package 4 lakhs, asking you data searches. Means think there is something golmal now. If I'm asking, I'm supposed now what which company, example, Capgemini. Which company? Capgemini. Now I'm taking some interview for you. If I ask you data searches, linked list, sublinked list, okay. First is the question, how much package I'm providing you? 4 lakhs. If I'm providing you 4 lakhs package, then you don't have any right to ask me data searches. Because if you want data searches, then you should start package from 9 lakhs. If you want me to answer what data searches concept, then the starting package will be how much? 9 lakhs. But if you're giving 4 lakhs package and expecting data searches, I'm not a fool again. There is something called as a golmal. Remaining 5 lakhs in the company pocket. Okay. That's why they give you package like what TCS company. Openly, see, TCS, CGI, Capgemini, these are all open companies. Okay. Example again. But just give the package 3.3 package, 3.4 package, 4 package, 5 package. Okay. Some rare cases even they give out 7 lakhs also. But if they're giving you 9 now, then think compulsory they're giving you what? Data searches concept. Okay. So here no need to focus on what data structures concept, because without knowing data structure also can get a job, and it is what optional. If you're looking for big companies, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Flipkart, then only go with what data searches. Okay. Until then, don't go with data searches. If anyone says also learn data searches, no, simply say what? No. Or else you will get a depression. You will go into what? Depression. I'm saying you. Because this thing I faced in was in 2015. Okay. Totally. You can't understand also. Nothing will understand, I'm saying. Okay. So by mistake also don't go with what data searches. So now we have, that's the reason we have here what now? Functions, which will be overcoming the drawbacks of those things. Now, what I wrote the list equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, applied reduce, okay, fine. Passing how many variables now? 2. What I'm saying, x plus y. What will come? What is x value? What is y value? Okay, think once and tell me now. 50? 1, 5. How? Serums. How it happened here? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, but if I don't pass this y now, only x now. Here it will be different now. So C1 say no. I'm just passing what now? X. So C1's answer then now. What came? 1. When I pass y now, when I pass now y. Now again see the run the code. Clear screen once. Run the code. Okay. Forget everything. Okay. What you know, forget. Okay. Just here. Once I'm saying, just nothing you know. Okay. So if I'm passing x, what I'm getting? Y. X means what value? 1. When I'm passing there, what I'm getting? Now last. Getting the what value there? 5. So what is happening here? It is counting like this now. 1, 2, what? 5 there. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. If I pass, suppose like this now. X minus y. Now getting once. So once the answer now. Get idea. Now how? Think once. Okay. Right here now. So 1 minus 2. Next. 2 minus 3 or 1 minus 3? Yes, yes. Correct. 1 minus 2. Next what? Here minus will come. Then minus 1. Minus 3. How much? Minus 4. Then minus 4. Minus 4 here. Minus 8. Then minus 8. Minus 5. What is coming there? Minus 13. So it will be a little bit difficult here. Okay. Okay. This thing will make you at least half day. At least what? Half day. Again, I'll be using these concepts. Lambda, map, filter, all this again I'll be using. Okay. Below again have these programs. Okay. So first make a note this one. If I pass only x, what I get value now? If I pass only x, 1. Okay. So let me clear once. Only if I pass x now, 1. We'll take some other variables now. Here r, and we'll take here what? P, something variables. And here what? P. And Xerox copy. So if I pass x, 1. If I pass y, that thing. Then if I pass t equal to, not t, w equal to yw, Xerox copy. X plus y. The number copy. X minus y. W answer here. And here answer what? Suppose C. So tell me the answers now here. What is the answer of R? Simply just what? 1. What is the answer of Y? 5. What is the answer of x plus y? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. How much? 15. Then x minus y, what happening here? 1 minus 2 minus 3, like this is happening there. Minus 15. So last class someone asked me, some of our list, all those things. Like this also can do. But depending upon that programs will ask. Many. Sometimes you get confused. Even after knowing programs also you get confused. Which method to apply. Okay, this will happen. Don't worry. Okay. Even myself also get confused. What technique to apply? Lambda, reduce, map, which one? But again, once if I see, then I get some idea there. But doing one programming language, so you can focus. One or many programming languages are doing. How many? 1, 2. Which 2? JavaScript. Okay. Anyone else? PLC. Another. Anyone else? So others can focus now. Because other people who are doing 2, 3 programming languages, they get chance of getting what? Confusing. Okay. Where to apply which we don't know. Sometimes it will happen. Okay. In JavaScript, there or not there? Lambda, map, reduce, filter. Map there, reduce there, filter there. Sequence. When same thing is there in 2 programming languages, 3 programming languages, 95% is confused. Copied? Okay. Now next program, 15th one. Shall I complete this map, reduce and filter? Or again later I have to come back? Later means what? Where I'll show you this too. Where I kept the basic. Maybe there only I kept it, somewhere I kept it. Okay, we'll be seeing somewhere. Okay. Let us continue thought now. 15th one. What is what now? Positional arguments. Focus already done. Okay. What's the function name here? Attach. How many arguments are there? 2. See, some people call as arguments, some people call as what? Parameters. Okay, some people call as what? Arguments. But both you can count, I'm saying. Okay, but both will look like same only there. Here it is not function there. Here what is not there at the time of calling. Okay, but some people get confused. That's why I don't want to disturb all those things. Okay, so now what will come? Function name is what here now? Attach. Function is what here? Attach. This is the name of the function. How many arguments are in there? 2. So we have taken one more variable called S3 where I'm storing the values of what? S1 plus S2. Okay, print total string what? In S3 there. Okay. So S1 and S2 are inside the function or outside the function? Outside the function. Okay, you can see there. Outside the function. We're splitting by what? Space only. Okay, by comma. Like some lengthy part there. Then attach what? S1 comma S2. Passing 2 arguments. So now run the code. So first time I'll give something there. So clear screen. So I'll be passing like suppose like what? Python, comma, programming. Did I keep a space there? No. And check there what I use the symbol there. S1 plus S2. Python is string, programming is string. So both got what now? Combined. Okay, let me pass suppose like what? Suppose 3 or Python comma 3. What type it will be? Check once. Will work or not work? Think once. Work. Why work? Because in my number 6, I have declared there my S1 and S2 will be what type? String type. So it will work. What will be the answer now? If I attach them, Python 3. Okay. If I write like this now, suppose Python space comma programming. Okay. What is the value of S1? Python space. What is the value of S2? Programming. If I combine them, what I'll get? Python space. Space also get counted. So Python space programming. If you keep multiple space will come there. Okay. Either you can do this or you can pass what manually also. Okay. Now think once. First, what output will come? First, New York, because I'm first calling what? First attach fifth line number 5. So what will be the output of fifth line there? New York. Again lag. New and what? York. Both will be getting what? Combined. After this function of function call of fifth line there, now it will go to seventh line. What will come? Suppose we pass Python programming. What will come? Python programming without any space. If I don't keep any space here. Okay. So now run the code. So first New York came over, function call over there. Now I'll pass Python comma programming. Okay. Only we can run this just 2 lines, or we can run multiple times. Multiple times. Okay, multiple times you can provide the inputs, all those things. So make a note of this one first of all. And people who have done only last 2 days practically only, now they'll understand. Or else from now they'll feel difficult. And this program new or old only? Old only, because starting only I have shown somewhere. Starting of the function program only. Okay, if in the line number 3, if I do S2 plus S1, what will be the output? Up to line number what? 6 story, suppose 5 only. Up to line number what? 5 only. Clear scheme. I kept coming for 2 lines. Okay, if I run this program, suppose S2 plus S2 or S2 plus S2, what will be the answer? York, York. If I do S2 plus S1, York, new. So sometimes it'll ask like this also. Can you do now? You can reverse the first thing or whatever it is, you can do like this also. Okay, so let me keep it properly back again now. Done? No. Local, global. Before going local, global, because 3 minutes are there, again I want the meeting to be continued. So I'll go with 17 program now, first of all. Smaller, big, I don't know. This also takes some time. Okay. Small program. Let me go with the basic again here. 3 minutes. Okay. Okay. Do one thing.